Meaning of Dude Ranch.
Dude Ranch.
Dude Ranch.
Dude Ranch.
Dude Ranch. A dude ranch is a type of working ranch that has been converted into a tourist attraction. It offers visitors the opportunity to experience life on a ranch, participate in outdoor activities like horseback riding, cattle drives, and fishing, and enjoy the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. The term dude refers to city slickers or urbanites who visit the ranch, often in search of a taste of the Old West. Dude ranches are typically located in rural areas of the United States, particularly in the western states such as Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana.